In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate a 6-way push button, and of course the labeling will be printed out in the future, onto my Loxone system using a Nano IO Air, because here I don't have a bus connection, to switch the light on and off, but also the speakers I installed in the previous video here. Still didn't fix the wiring, I know! I will show you the installation and I will show you the programming, so let's go! I think this comes first. Ooh. So you power it with 24 here, and then you have 6 times the returning. We had the first one being the plus. And I will now just try it. We start, let's say, with the blue lines, and then we put the blue here and the other one there. So let's say like this. Then let's use some proper tools. Let's say like this. No need for this guy here. So we said the blue one is input number 1 and 2. Here I have the 24 on a Vago clamp because I use it for the presence sensor as well. So I connected the plus 24 of the cable here, and then I have the input number 1 and 2 here, the blue and the blue-white. In theory, yes! Haha! And now I wire the rest, and then I show you. I just tried it. It's awesome, guys. Let me show you. I just put the non-copyright radio station on it. Otherwise, YouTube is striking me with copyright. So here I have the light, which is great. So I can turn it on and off here, just the light, and I have a room off, lights and music off here. Then I have the volume up, which also starts the music. If I press it and hold it, it becomes louder. And I have previous and next track here, which I can't show you because then the YouTube copyright strike. So when I leave the room, I will just press here, lights and music off. Isn't that cool? So how did I wire it? I put the 24 on the back here, and then I used all the 6 wires for the returns. And on the Nano IO, fuck man, I use a gimbal, I cannot tilt it for you. Ah, damn it. Like this, you see? Okay. So now I just need to wire it nicely. Then I show you the programming in the config. I have an alarm block here, lighting controller, audio block, and the room controller for heating. On the left-hand side here, I have my Nano IO Air, which has 2 relays. Currently, I only use 1 lighting circuit for it, but I prepared it so I can use the second one as well if I put some additional light for wiring a cabinet or something. And here we have the 6 inputs, and the first one I put on the lighting controller on the normal T5 input. So if I go to the simulation, I just turn on the light and turn it off again. If you remember, the second one was the all off. So I used it both here on the lighting controller on the off input, but also on the audio block on the off as well. Then for the third input, I go to volume plus, volume minus is the 4th one. Then I have the 5th one, which is the next track, and the 6th one, which is the previous track. And that's basically all I did in the programming here. So fuck the Loxone push buttons, let's just use digital inputs, should we? No. I think that's not a smart idea as an integrator, as a Loxone partner, because make your life easy. Bus wiring, easy programming, T5 on T5, small cabinet, because imagine for every of those push buttons you need to run a cat cable with 8 inputs back to the cabinet. Of course, all possible, but not reasonable to me. So I stick with the Loxone push buttons. I just wanted to make this video to show you that's possible. There is an easier solution for this as well. There is a Nano Di3, which is basically a bus coupling device. So you can wire this the same as the Loxone push buttons in a bus topology, up to 50 per line. And then you have 6 inputs as well. So you could put this behind each push button and then use any push button with the advantage of the wiring, but the programming is also a hassle, and of course the price. So this one here, 80 or 90 bucks, yeah, plus the push button, it's a bit expensive then. and we miss our humidity and temperature coming from the push button. So now you know, and you can decide it yourself. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I also link some Amazon stuff down there. Check it out. See you in the next video. Bye.